We'll guide you through how to use Claude Desktop effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude Desktop website. Once there, you'll want to log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the prompts to enter your email and set a password. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Here, you'll see various options like creating a new document, accessing recent files, and exploring templates. To start a new project, click on the New Document button. This will open a blank workspace where you can begin typing or importing text. One of the powerful features of Claude Desktop is its AI-driven suggestions, which you can enable by clicking on the AI Assist option in the toolbar. This feature helps you with grammar corrections, style suggestions, and even content ideas. You can also use the collaboration feature to invite others to view or edit your document. Simply click on the Share button in the top right corner, enter the email addresses of your collaborators, and set their permissions to either view or edit. If you need to format your text, the toolbar offers various options like bold, italics, and text alignment. You can also insert images and tables by clicking on the Insert tab. Once you're done with your document, you can save it by clicking the Save button or download it in different formats like PDF or Word by using the Export option. For additional customization, go to the Settings section to adjust your preferences like theme and notification settings. Keep in mind that Claude Desktop is continuously updated with new features, so it's a good idea to check their blog or help section for the latest updates and tips. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.